Garnier, why? I need an answer, okay? So by now, most of you guys know that I have a couple of hair color brands and shades that are my go-to. बीच में इधर उधर I do experiment with other colors and other brands, but then I always go back to my favorite ones. But जब से पैंडमिक वाली सिचुएशन हुई है, I have not been able to source those products. So इसीलिए I started dwelling into the Indian market to see कि क्या उस तरह के shades Indian market में भी available हैं, and if yes, then how well do they perform. So in today's video, I'll be trying out one such hair color. Now Garnier का नाम सबने सुना, it's quite a prevalent brand in the Indian market. But what intrigued me the most is that it says visible color on dark hair. So that is something that really caught my attention, that if it is able to deliver what it says, then that would be amazing. I really want to test it for you guys and show it to you whether it works or not, so then you can take a call for yourself. It retails for 199 rupees. It is available on Amazon, Nykaa, the links will be down below. So this is what you get. These are the main components, the developer and the actual colorant. And then inside this there are the instruction leaflet, gloves, and then the conditioner. Now there is one thing that I want to mention about Garnier's packaging that I really like, is that they have mentioned the amount right here. So you can decide whether you want to use half a tube or 1/3 of a tube or like the complete component. So that is really good. So now for a fair test, what I'm going to do is that I will apply it towards the roots and not on the tips, because my tips are bleached, then they are colored, also they are in the shade of blue. So we won't be able to judge its true performance if I apply it on the tips. So I'm just going to apply it on the roots, and then going downwards I'll try and mix it up to give that ombre effect. And if it actually works, then I'm hoping that I get that beautiful purple to blue ombre. Otherwise, if it doesn't work, then God bless me. Now I already have one video in which I have talked in depth about the bleaching process and about the hair dyeing process that I follow. Obviously I am not a professional, you can choose to follow it or not. So you can definitely check that one out if you want to see tutorial of how to apply the color. Okay, so now the application is done and I ended up using the whole of developer and the colorant. I need to leave it on for 30 minutes, so that is what I'm going to do, and then I'll just wash it off and be back with the results. What in the holy hell is this? What is this?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Now let's start with the point that has been the biggest disappointment. If you guys have followed me, you would know that I am mostly gravitated towards cooler shades of blues and purples. Now when you look at the packaging, even though this purple is quite warmer when compared to the purples that I am used to using on my hair, it still was, at least it still seemed like purple. But when it came onto my head, why is this red? Now I will quickly take you guys through the pros and cons so that you can be a better judge. Now when it comes to the first pro, I'm really happy to say this, that it stands by its claim which says visible color on darker hair. So that it did. This part you can see that the color is definitely visible there even though the base was quite dark. So that is good. Kudos for that. The second pro is that it is easily available on various online platforms. As I said, I have linked a couple of them in the description box. So if you want to get your hands on this product, it wouldn't be an issue. The third pro has to be its price point. 199 rupees for this quantity is an amazing reasonable price. I ended up using the whole component that was given, but actually last में थोड़ा सा बच गया था extra, वो बस मैंने just to finish it off, I just stopped it all over my head. So one pack will be more than enough to sort of like color medium length hair. Now coming on to the fourth pro, if you guys have watched my previous hair dye videos, you would know that these sort of colors are prone to staining the floor, clothes and everything it touches. So the good thing about this dye was that it did not do anything like that. The bathroom floor was good as new once I was done rinsing off this hair color, so I did not face any issue with that. Now coming on to the cons, there is only just one single con that I've already mentioned. The packaging isn't true to its color. What they have shown, you don't get those results. I wouldn't say that this is bad, just that I was expecting this and not this. I'm really disappointed. I was rooting for this hair dye to perform well, and even though it did, I'm not saying it did not, just that I was expecting this. All I wanted was this. Why couldn't you give me that? Garnier, why? I need an answer, okay? Okay, so I am done with my job by trying on this hair color. I've risked my hair for this, you guys. Okay, so now listen carefully. If you belong to the first category of people who actually like the results, then just click on that like button. दबा दो, कैसे भी दबा दो, मुझे नहीं पता. Let me know कि आपको पसंद आया. Let me know in the comment section. Drop your lovely comments down there. And if you belong to the second category of people who did not like the results, then like the Bado Zor se, because I have made you familiar with the results of this product, and now you can save your bucks by not spending on it. Also, let me know what are the brands and hair colors you want me to try, and I will definitely give those a shot. Now before ending this video, मैं एक बार disclaimer डाल देती हूँ. Guys, कोई भी product अच्छा या खराब नहीं होता है. Let me repeat, no product is good or bad. It just depends on how it performs on you and what were your expectations. So as I said, some people may like the results, some may not. My job was to show you the results that I have done. Now you can take a call for yourself. Okay, so with that, I will take a leave. I need to do a shoot of this face. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, be safe, be happy, and don't forget to be generous. Bye.